The new trading week kicked off with an increased demand for risky assets. Risk appetite returned to the market even despite the controversial news on the US-China trade deal. Meanwhile, there is a lot of scattered information about the US-China interim trade agreement. Reuters doubt that the parties will be able to reach a compromise during the second phase of the trade deal. At the same time, Donald Trump assured the market that phase 2 will start almost immediately after the first phase is signed. Analysts at Reuters find this statement dubious, as Trump is unlikely to make any compromise. They also point at the unwillingness of the White House to cooperate with other countries. Besides, phase 2 of the trade deal is connected with the complaints of the US about intellectual property theft by Chinese companies. Recently, Beijing has raised penalties on violations of intellectual property rights. In fact, on Monday, the Chinese media informed that Beijing and Washington could wrap up the phase 1 trade agreement soon. Traders took notice of this report. In addition, the results of Hong Kong's district council elections triggered the interest for risky assets and the growth of the US dollar. The US currency rose to weekly highs on the back of the positive market sentiment and upbeat economic data. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's dynamic against a basket of 6 world currencies, added 55 pips, advancing to the level of 98.25. The dollar-yen pair was trading near multi-day highs above the level of 108.84 after the yen's decline due to risk appetite. Analysts expect the pair to move higher to the level of 109.30. The Australian dollar also gained momentum amid positive market sentiment. The Aussie grew to the level of 4.68 but failed to edge higher. After a busy last week, this week's economic calendar for the euro area is going to be quite uneventful. The ifo Business Climate Index from Germany is due today. The news about the developments of the US-China trade deal continues to influence the market sentiment. That's all for now. Stay up to date with us. See you on our channel again in a couple of hours.